Give me the ball, I'm free!
Hey, Corey, Mr. Robert, let us homework.
Oh, I think that. Let us. My head hurts. I can listen to you.
Are you okay? Are you okay, man?
I can listen to you.
What? Stop kidding, man.
I can listen to you.
Really?
What are you saying?
What are we going to do? I don't know.
We can go to the north.
Well, maybe. Come in, man. Come in.
What?
Come in.
What?
Come in. Come in. Come
I don't
in.
understand you guys.
Read my fucking lips.
Ah,
Come in, come in. Vamos con la enfermería, ¿no? Enter.
why you bringing me here?
Because you don't hear.
Because you're not good.
Walk. 2, 3, 2, 3. Doctor. He's not listening. Let me see. I'm sorry, but your friend cannot listen again. What?
What are you saying?
He has a problem in his ears. Maybe it was something about a hit. Did you hit him with something?
I think it was my fault because I threw a ball in his head. I don't know if this is the problem or what.
That's too bad, my friend. I cannot make an entire diagnosis on this patient because
I didn't understand what they were saying, but I knew it was bad.
take him to.
Hey, an angel! I think that is over there.
Hey guys. Hey, what? It's my friend Christian.
I heard you have a problem with your friend.
He said,
My brother is also deaf too, so I'm going to teach him how to communicate with other people by signs. So,
okay, sounds good.
sounds good.
What did he say?
These days, my friend explained me that it will be difficult to learn the sign language, but it will help me to understand people again. He explains me that I will be happy again, but I will have to work hard for it. But it's worth it to hear the vibration it makes the songs you love. To hear about an interesting conversation, people telling I love you, emotion of people screaming while he sings wind, and many other sounds I was not available to listen.
What? Okay.
What?
Said, are you okay?
Oh my god, I can hear you.
Yes?
Yes,
Oh
I
man.
can hear again.
At the end, I could hear again, what makes me really happy. While I was deaf, I think about the importance of the sound, each of the hertz that compound every single sound. I know that the storms makes tremendous sounds. The beat of a bee could be irritating. Some people dislike a lot of type of music. It is horrible to hear people crying or complaining all the time. And some people even hate the sound that for others is normal.